Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Java and many other languages, and I hope you understand that all projects which we have done yet. So today we are working with Android development series, and in this video I will be telling you that how we can just use photo frame, means how we can just build an amazing photo frame application using Android Development Studio, and I hope you'll be understanding this video of photo frame. So if you understand this photo frame video, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how they can build these amazing projects of photo frames when you are building, and how we can just include things in that to make it more unique and more beautiful. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we can just build this amazing project of photo frame using Android Development Studio, and how we are just building it from start. So just I hope you understand that previous videos which we have covered up, like we have just built our first Android application using Android Studio, and we have also built the tic-tac-toe game, and I hope you understand that video. So in this video I will be telling you that what is photo frame in Android Development Studio and how you can use basically photo frame from start in this project. So for using photo frame, first of all you have to make you have to just make one file, and in the previous videos or you can say in the starting videos I've telling you that how you can download Android Studio and how you can create your own folder. You can check that video out if you have not checked that yet. Remember to check that, because from that it will be giving you help to create your first you can say your first layout here. So this was my first layout which I have created, and this was our first application, and that the tic-tac-toe game which we have built using the rapid text editor, because my Android Studio was having some of the problem. Because of that I have not built in here. You can also use Android Studio to build that tic-tac-toe game, but I have not used it. I have just used Applet to build my tic-tac-toe game, and I hope you understand that. So now we'll be starting with our photo frame project here. Basically photo frame is not a thing which we can build. It is a thing which like padding or margin you get. So like this you can use the photo frame here, like we are getting in first application. I will be telling you in this project of first application like how to use photo frame here. So for using photo frame in this application, means this is the layout application you can say, and how to use photo frame here. So for using photo frame, you have to first of all do one thing. You have to take these all, you can say we are getting dots of blue color, so you have to press these dots. You will be getting one black arrow here. So when you are getting this black arrow, you have to just take this black arrow down. When you will be taking this black arrow down, so now when you will be hovering on your first application text, so it will be having it down. Now if you do it like this, so you will be getting it here. Now if I scroll down, so it will nothing happens. Your text is not scrolling down. You can take it up. You can scroll this text down to make this like you can say like this. And if you want to just change the text here, like I've written my first application here, I will be writing photo frame like this. Press enter. Now you can see we have just written here photo frame. You can also take it in center. So for doing center, you have to move here center. Okay, so here I will be now writing text, and you can see we are getting the text alignment. So you can just text your alignment here center. You can see now your text is in the center here, which is looking good. Now you can just align these all stuff here. Like if you want to align the background color, so you can align that as well. So for aligning the background, you have to just move here, and after moving here, you have to now just set the text, or you can say font text like this. I have written. Now after writing this, here you can see we have just written this thing here, and then after writing this, if I want to change its family, means font family, so for doing this you have to just move in the search right here, font family. You can see we are getting many of the font family. You can just use any of the font family here which you like. So if you want to use cursive, so you can see this is the cursive font family. So it is really good looking text here which we have written. Then if you want to change the foreground color, so for doing this you have to now write here background, and I've just done that black. You can just take it to white by writing this FF like this, enter. So your background has been changed here. Select this text and now change its font color. So here I will be now writing the color of the text. The text color I will be changing it to black. Enter. Now here you will be seeing that your text will be changing into black. Okay, so here I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now writing it here, this hashtag, then write here 0 like this. Now your text has been changed into black. Now I'll be making it here. Then if you want to increase the size of your text, so for doing this you have to just move here, and then here we have just, here you have to now just write the text size. So here I will be now writing size of the text. Here you will be getting text size. Here we are getting, now you can increase it to 34. You can see it is increased to 34, 48. You can also directly write here if you want to write. You can see we are getting photo frame written here. Now this is the thing which I want to show you. Like this, you can create your own photo frame here. If you want to drag and drop anything from here and from the left side, so you can drag and drop. Like here I will be now I will be taking this button, and now I want to align this button. So for aligning this, you have to just write here center. Like this we have written, press enter, so it will be in center, I think. Okay, press this button here, then center. We have just done this. Then you have to make this align here. So I will be now writing its direction, so you can just set its direction here, like inherit. So when you will be setting its direction, so it will be good. And then you can write the text here, press ok to use photo frame, enter. So you can see we are getting press ok to use photo frame. I will be dragging dropping this. You can directly not drag and drop this, you can make it down here. So for making it down, you have to just directly do one thing. You have to select this, and after selecting, you can just take the theme. You can set the theme of this, or you can just set the direction, color link, and there are many other things which you can do here. So you can just write this view start here, and after writing view start, you can just set the line here. So for setting the alignment of the text, you have to just write here alignment. So here I will be now writing alignment like this. So I will be now just moving here, and you can see we are getting this here, and you can just now select its width here which you want to write. So you can just select its width, match parent, or wrap content. So this is the wrap content width which we are using here. Then you can just set its rotation. So here this DR marine rotation which you can set here. So I am not setting the rotation here. You can see this is the rotation. Like this you can set the rotation, and you can also just set the elevation of insert bottom or insert top, like it is written 6 dp. You can write, press enter. So after pressing enter, nothing happens. Now if I write 64 dp, so you can see now it is you can just take this thing down like this. So you can see this. So yeah, like this you can increase the width here, and you can use this. So now there are many other things which you can just use. Like if you want to increase the padding or margin of this, you can also do this here. Like if I move here, and this is the photo frame which I want to show you. Like if you want to give it the padding or anything like this, you can do this by your own choice. So here I will be moving. Then you have to now write it the padding 25 dp, press enter here. So we are getting the 25 dp here. Now if you want to just give padding from the start, from the bottom, from the right, you can set it here like 16 dp. So you can see when you will be setting this, so you will be getting the dp here which you want to set. So there are many other things which you can do here. Like if you want to set the margin dp, you can just directly do it here. So if you want to write the layout margin, so you can just set the layout margin from your choice, 25 dp. Press enter, you can see it is moving down. So you can directly select this thing to move it down, or you can just directly write the layout margin. Or if you want to not write the layout margin, you can also write here any other thing. Like if I make it like this, and if I write margin this time, and now you can see we have just written here margin, and in margin I will be writing 25 dp. So here if I just make this, so you can see we are getting the layout margin and this repeat. So here if I do this, now you can see we are getting our photo frame like this. So here which I want to show you, this was the photo frame here, and like this you can use the photo frame tag in the padding and margin things. And I hope you understand this, what is photo frame in Android Studio. Like we use padding and margin in Android Studio, and we use padding and margin in VS Code text editor when we are working with HTML, CSS like languages. But we can also use using Android Studio when we are working with Java. So I hope you understand this video of photo frame. So if you have understand, enjoy this video of photo frame using this Android Development Studio. So remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages which we are doing here. And I will be also covering up many of the other future videos, and I hope that will be helpful for you. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.